Okay, hey y'all, what is good? What is up? Welcome to Life with the Browns, y'all. Today we are about to cook. Okay, we cooking. Look at that. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Anyways, y'all, we're about to cook. So, I was in the bed trying to figure out what we was gonna eat. At first, it was gonna be a fend for yourself night, a air pocket night, noodle night, something like that does not involve me cooking. But I do want to eat, so I thought about doing some chicken curry. So I'm finna run to the store and pick up everything I need, since I just thought to do chicken curry and I have nothing in there to make chicken curry other than chicken, and I did not thaw it out. So I'm finna go to the store, get some chicken curry. But then I was like, oh wait, pause. Let's do shrimp curry.
Shrimp curry?
Yeah, like instead of chicken we can do shrimp.
Have you ever made that?
No, I've never made it. I figure it's just the same thing as chicken curry,
but you
just
put
use
more
shrimp
yeah,
than curry. So I'm gonna make it, and then I'm actually gonna do chicken as well, just in case it's not good. Like,
so you're gonna make like 2 pots?
no, I'm gonna make the curry, because you know how you gotta make the sauce.
Yeah.
I'm gonna make the sauce, and then I'm going to do the shrimp, and then that'll be it. Oh, should I put potatoes?
Mom, I don't like potatoes.
Why?
You can put potatoes in yours, but not in the kids' food. We don't like potatoes.
Fine, I guess I won't put potatoes, cause y'all.
Thank you, because Trey likes potatoes, but me and DJ.
But anyways, I'm like I normally with my chicken curry, I fry. The kids like the chicken to be fried, so I'm just gonna fry that, and they'll be good to go. And then yeah, they gonna have chicken shrimp curry.
And gladly is only me and Mom here.
But
so.
yeah, after we leave Publix, we're gonna go to the daycare and pick up Trey. So come on, y'all, we about to cook. All the food trucks is out today.
We can get ice cream.
No, we can't.
That's what it was, ice cream truck.
That was not an ice cream truck. It looked like an ice cream truck, but that was it looked like lettuce, a head of lettuce. But anyways, let's go, y'all. Girl, you almost made your brother jump. You almost made your brother jump. Okay, y'all, so here is the chicken. Let me tell y'all what I have here first. I have my thin chicken breast. Then I have some egg wash, flour, and some breadcrumbs. I'm seasoning my chicken with some garlic powder, some black pepper, seasoning salt, onion powder, and some original Mrs. Dash.
Don't hesitate, just give me your all, just give me your all. Now we finally found our way. And love is stronger than anything. We will make our own way. Night is over the park and a few brave stars. I give you the moon and my all is yours. Don't hesitate, just give me your all. Just give me your all. So let's fly into a dream I won't deny. I'm so in love, let's go for gold. Yeah, yeah, let's go for gold. So let's fly into a dream I won't deny. I'm so in love, let's go for gold. Yeah, let's go for gold.
Okay, y'all, so this is the amount of water that I am using. Not sure how much that is. Probably may, I don't know. I was thinking about adding some more water, but I don't know. So here is the rice cooker that I use. Rice is already done, ready to go. And these are the curry bricks that I like to use. I also like to use the orange one, so I kind of, whichever one they have, I get it, because sometimes they don't have the green, so I get the orange. If they don't have the orange, I get the green. But they also have one that is black, and basically the different colors is the temperature of the curry. So you have this one right here is medium, the yellow one or the orange one is mild, and the black one is high. But this is what I'm using today. I may end up using both of these packages or just one, but this is what it looks like. Okay, y'all, so I chickened out when it came to the shrimp. Let me see if I can lighten this up for you. I chickened out when it came to the shrimp. I was supposed to add it in to the big pot, but I'm a little nervous, so I am making a second pot over here, and I'm just gonna cook the shrimp and the veggies right here, and then when I make my plate, I'm just gonna add the shrimp to it, because like y'all, I'm low-key scared. Okay, but while the chicken is in the refrigerator chilling, we are getting started with our curry sauce, and that should take like no time at all. Just throw these bricks off in there and let it melt, and you're done.
Girl, I see your face everywhere. When I'm going out, you'll be there. 'Cause everything reminds me of you. I can't take no more. Girl, I think I'm losing my mind. Try to go to work, but I lost track of time. 'Cause everyone keep looking like you. I can't take no more. I miss your touch from your hands and your body. It hurts so much to think of you with someone else. Can't get enough when you're sweet talking to me. Now I'm talking sweet all by myself. Put your arms around me, put your face.
Okay, y'all, so I just threw in the peppers, and I'm just gonna let this do its thing. I'm gonna turn the heat off so I don't overcook my shrimps. And then this is gonna be it. That's it. Now over here, I put my potatoes in, and now I'm about to add in my curry blocks.
I gave my all to deserve ya. Begging on my knees just to show ya. You're the one I want and I love you.
So y'all, this is what they look like. I like to actually break them up while they're in this thing. Break them up. Break them up. And this is what it looks like. freaking crust. This is what happens when you bread it and you let it chill in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes. It'll keep all of your bread coating on your chicken. That looks so good. Oh my goodness. Y'all, listen to this crunch. Y'all ready? Oh my goodness. Y'all hear that crunch? Oh yeah, so here's the chicken. There's Trey. There's the rest of the chicken. I have my shrimp and my peppers. I ended up putting the onions off in here because I don't like raw onions. So I'm putting them off in here and hopefully it'll cook. Which it will, but yeah, this is the curry. There's the potatoes. It dang near, like I should have made more potatoes, but the kids really don't like the potatoes. So it's mostly Ty and I that eats the potatoes, but I should have added more potatoes. Y'all could also add some carrots in here too. That is like really good. I thought I had some, but I didn't. So let me put it together and then I'll show y'all what it looked like. Okay, y'all, so this is how it looks, y'all. When I tell y'all this right here is bringing me back to Japan. It is bringing me back to Japan. How about that crunch, though? Mm-hmm. Did you hear that crunch? Here. Here. That one, that was the end piece. Like, that was just...
I'm gonna try to crunch.
Good, huh?
Oh, that's good.
Here.
No.
Anyways, y'all, this is pretty much it for this video. Thank y'all so much for watching, and we will see y'all in the next one. You ain't gonna use no paper bowl? I mean, you do wash the dishes, so that's, you know, it's up to you if you want to use a paper bowl or not. But anyways, y'all, we out.